welcome back UROC students, old and new. We are so happy to have you back in person. We can't wait to show you all we've done to keep you safe and happy. Sanitation station at the front door. We'll start with that. Come on in. Okay, we're going down to the main studio downstairs to show you what we've done to keep everybody safe. Come on down. Another sanitation station, just in case. Now come on in this way. Follow me. As you can see, everything is pretty much the same as normal, except maybe for this giant screen. I don't know if you can tell, but we've made this amazing screen, 6 feet by 6 feet, to protect our singers, and it's movable. So when Brian's teaching down here, or we have a group class, we can actually split the room and make sure that everyone's safe behind that screen. We have the same exact screen in all 3 teaching studios. So everybody's safe no matter where their lessons are. Now, we have 3 of these bad boys. These are probably the best air purifiers you can buy. They are super good. They will take all the respiratory droplets out of the air up to 99.97%, including viruses. So we have one in every studio, plus an extra little baby one right at the foyer where kids wait for their lessons. So that's our short little tour through the main studio, just to make everyone feel comfortable about sending their children back to lessons. We know we can't wait to see everyone. We want everyone to be safe and healthy. So we've invested a lot of time and energy into making sure our school is safe. So we look forward to seeing you all the first week of September, and we wish you all a wonderful school year.